The Big Donut waterfall. Vacation was great. Now it's time to head back to Philly. Just got our tickets and we are about to head back right now. I believe we're about to go through security where we show our ID. A photo ID required right now, so I gotta put the camera away. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm here at the terminal in Tampa, Florida. Tried to get on an earlier flight but was unsuccessful, so hanging out in the Delta Lounge. Pretty cool place. The one in Atlanta is better, so we will hang out there in a little while. But just getting some bites to eat and waiting for the flight. You know the road. What was your favorite part about the vacation?
Oh my goodness, I have to think. There were so many favorite parts. Where do I look? Here?
So you went to the blue water one?
I'm confused.
In Atlanta.
Yeah.
11 non-stop service to Atlanta. As you're finding your way to your seat, please make sure that you can place your small items such as
Can't wait to get back and edit. Got tons of footage. Hopefully I can create something epic. I already started something. I wanted to have it edited by the time we got here, but so I can upload it, but just in case we don't make the flight, but I'm not gonna have it uploaded in time, so we'll upload it when we get home. I'm waiting to yeah.
Hi.
Operation get on early flight unsuccessful, so we have to wait till the what, 9 o'clock? We're gonna try to get on 9 o'clock. If not the 9 o'clock, then we're gonna get on our original flight, the 10 o'clock flight. What is it? 10 o'clock, right?
10:35.
10:35, which will put us back at
12:25.
12:25. Then we still got an
Until 2.
hour or so drive. Supposed to get home at 2. I'll get us home by 1.
Table on the right.
You're the wrong way?
Landed back in Baltimore. Still have to go to the airport parking where we parked the car and drive all the way from Baltimore to Philadelphia, because that's where we parked. We drove to BWI because we could get a better fare. So now we have to drive all the way from Baltimore to back to Philadelphia. It's gonna be about 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours. Easy drive though. I'll drive the whole way. Easy. Easy peasy. Trip was epic. Can't wait for more great adventures. And thank you guys for coming with us. Appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.